Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up a new Gmail account. Whether you need it for personal use, professional communication, or anything in between, creating a Gmail account is a straightforward process. Let's dive in. Step 1. Visit the Google account creation page. Open your web browser and go to the Google account creation page by typing in accounts.google.com/signup in the address bar. You'll be directed to the account setup form. Step 2. Fill out your information. Begin by entering your first and last name in the designated fields. Then, create a unique username for your Gmail address. If your desired username is already taken, Google will provide suggestions or allow you to try a different one. Step 3. Create a password. Next, create a strong password that is at least 8 characters long. It's recommended to use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Confirm your password by typing it again in the second field. Step 4. Click Next. Once you have filled out your information and created your password, click the blue Next button to proceed. Step 5. Verify your phone number. To secure your account, Google will ask for your phone number. This is important for account recovery and will help verify your identity. Enter your phone number and click Next. You'll receive a verification code via SMS, which you will need to enter in the provided field. Step 6. Provide recovery information. After verifying your phone number, you'll be prompted to enter a recovery email address. Optional, but recommended. This will help you recover your account in case you forget your password. Fill in your date of birth and gender, and then click Next. Step 7. Review Google's privacy and terms. You will be directed to Google's privacy and terms. Take a moment to read through these important documents. After reviewing, click I agree to continue. Step 8. Customize your account. Next, you'll have the option to customize your Gmail settings. You can choose to add a profile picture, select your inbox type, and adjust other settings according to your preferences. Make any adjustments you like, then click Continue to Gmail. Step 9. Explore your new Gmail account. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your new Gmail account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and features of Gmail, such as composing emails, organizing your inbox, and using the search function. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy using your new Gmail account.